Hello everyone, myself Hitesh Mahadre. I am explain the concept of formation of chip. So let's start. The content of micro project. Introduction, aim of project, literature review, brief description of project, actual procedure followed, skill development and references. Then introduction. Chip formation is process in which large amount of metal removed from the workpiece by tool in the form of chip. The process is most important because almost all products get final shape and size directly and indirectly by machining. So major drawbacks in this process is there is a lot amount of metal removed in the form of chips. Means in this introduction, the main heading or main point is the large amount of metal removed in the form of chips, and convert in final size or shape. In this process, there are three types of chips or main three types of chips: continuous chip, discontinuous chip, continuous chip with build up edge. Then our project aims or aim of project: study the concept of chip formation, study the types of chips. Types of chips depend upon various factors. Literature review: machining of hardened alloys have some metrological and mechanical difficulties. Even if many successful processes have been increasingly developed, a lot of study has been carried out on this subject. However, only with modest progress showing specific results considering the real efficiency of chip formation. Chip formation is process in which large amount of metals remove from a workpiece by tool in the form of chip. The process is the most important because almost all products get final shape and size directly and indirectly by machining. The major drawbacks in this process is there is lost of amount metal remove in the form of chips. In this process there are three types of chips: continuous chip, discontinuous chip, continuous chip with build-up edge. Then the brief description of project. Chip formation is a process in which large amount of metal removed from the work piece by the tool in the form of chip. The process is the most important because almost all products get final shape and size directly and indirectly by machining. The major drawbacks in the process is there is lot of amount metal removed in the form of chips. So in this process there are three types: continuous chip, discontinuous chip, continuous chip with build-up edge. Then let's see the actual process follow for making our micro project. So let's see. We select our group project topic. Then we start searching about our project information. We read our iScheme book. So project environmental studies book for collecting information about the formation of chips and its types. We go to library and read the managed process book of G-Scheme. We start searching on the internet about formation of chips and different types. We write all collected data in rough, and we write the collect material and preparation. When we have collected all the work, we make our flex and then go to the prepare a project report for cyber, and we get printout of our project report. Then main types of chips is first continuous chips. According to its name, continuous chips have continuous segment, means the segment is very long when tool is cutting. In this process, friction between workpiece and tool should be minimum, and they also give better surface finish and ductile material. These chips have equal thickness, equal thickness throughout the length. The main point in this, the chip is long, and the friction is minimum between workpiece and tool is minimum, and better surface finish. Okay, then factors favorable for the formation of continuous chips are: workpiece should have ductile in nature, high cutting speed, small chip thickness, bigger rack angle, friction between tool and workpiece is minimum. So let's see the diagram. In this tool is cutting the chip, and chip is a form of segmental and long. Then see the discontinuous chips. The continuous chips are produced during the machining or brittle material like cast iron and bronze. This material ruptures during the plastic deformation and forms chips or small and segmental piece. The friction between tools and chips reduce, resulting in the better surface finishes and increases in the tool life and reduce the consumption of power. Discontinuous chips are also produced when cutting more ductile material with the use of cutting fluid. Means discontinuous chips, the segment in form of chips are discontinuous in very small pieces. Then condition favorable form of for the formation of discontinuous chips are brittle material such as cast and bronze, large size thickness, low cutting speed. So we see the diagram: workpiece, tool, tool is cutting the workpiece and the chip is forming discontinuous. Then let's see the continuous chip with built-up edge. These types of chips are usually formed while machining ductile metals. When there is high friction between chips and tool interface, the upward flowing chips exert the pressure on the tool face, cause the workpiece material to adhere or weld to the cutting edge of the tool. Chips laid over the surface being machined, it is rough or less smoothness during built-up edge. The most favorable condition of formation of continuous chips with built-up edge: excessive feed rate, small rack angle, low cutting speed, lack of coolant, and increase the friction between chips and chips tool interference. So let's see the diagram of the continuous chip with built-up edge. In this diagram, the tool is cut the chip with built-up edge. The very high friction between them and then form of chips in built-up edge. Okay, then let's see the skill development. Teamwork, working with the team, working with the team of groups members. When teamwork skill develop between us during process. Teamwork means work in groups or members and develop a teamwork. Then leadership development, working the group members, working with group members, leadership skill development. And presentation skill development means we give the presentation of our micro project and presentation skill development. And group discussion skill also develop in the making the project with the group members. Let's see the references: the manufacturing process book of 4SEM, and there is the two links. First is the Wikipedia of chip formation and second is another of chip formation. Then in this overall video we see the mainly three types of chips. First is chips, continuous chip, second discontinuous chip, and third continuous chip will be built up edge. So in continuous chip, the chip is long and segmental, log segmental, and better surface finish. And then second, discontinuous chips. In these chips, the chip is form of small pieces. Okay. And third, in this process, and third, sorry, third is a build up edge. Build up edge, the workpiece and tool, sorry, when the tool cutting the workpiece, the form of very heat in between tool and sorry, chip and chip is burn. So this is called continuous chip with built up edge. And this is the three links, so you can find other information about the chip formation. So go to these links. Okay, thank you for listening this video. Thank you.